event of a roadside emergency such as a flat tire, make sure you are able to pull over to a safe place before starting the tire repair process. Turn off your vehicle and follow the provided instructions. Make sure the compressor is in the off position. Take the sealant hose and connect it to the tire valve. Then connect the compressor hose to the sealant bottle and gently slide the bottle into the compressor socket. Pull out the power cord from your compressor and plug it into the power outlet of your car. Remove the speed warning sticker from the bottom of the sealant bottle and place it in a visual location on the steering wheel. Check your vehicle's user manual for the recommended tire pressure. The location of the pressure values from your vehicle manufacturer may vary. Now turn on your vehicle. Turn the compressor switch to the on position. Check for the sealant bottle to be completely empty. Continue to inflate until you reach the pressure specified by the auto manufacturer. After reaching the recommended tire pressure, disconnect the kit as follows. First, turn off the compressor. Disconnect the power plug and unscrew the sealant hose from the tire valve. Remember to return the valve cap to the valve stem. Drive approximately 3 miles to ensure the sealant is properly applied. Stop and check the tire pressure once more. You may have to inflate again accordingly. Your driving speed should not exceed 50 miles per hour. Drive to your nearest service station for permanent tire repair. The device can repair punctures up to 6 mm only. Any puncture over 6 mm and damage to the sidewall cannot be fixed. Call for assistance.